Stop wasting your time begging Google AdSense for approval. While you're waiting weeks for a maybe, top creators in the US and UK are already scaling their earnings with a platform that says yes instantly. I'm Zubair from Zubair Creative Studio, and today, I'm revealing the ultimate AdSense alternative, Adsterra. In this video, I'll show you how to get approved in 60 seconds and start running ads on your blogger's site immediately. If you want to finally monetize your traffic without the headache, let's dive in. Before we start the setup, you need to know, what is Adsterra? It's a global advertising network serving over 35 billion impressions every month. Why is it better than Google AdSense? Instant approval, no site under review for weeks. You sign up, you get ads. No traffic minimums, whether you have 10 visitors or 10,000, you can start earning today. Higher fill rate, Adsterra offers a 100% fill rate, meaning every single visitor sees an ad, no wasted traffic. Low payouts, AdSense makes you wait until you hit $100. Adsterra pays out at just $5 via Paxum. That's a game changer for new bloggers. Alright, let's get to work. Open any browser and search for Adsterra. You'll see the first website, click on that. Now that the homepage is open, you'll see two main paths, by top traffic or start earning. If you were an advertiser looking for traffic, you'd pick the first one. But we are here to make money, so choose the second option, start earning. Click on start earning and you'll see the sign up as a publisher page. This is where you register to run ads on your own site. Fill in your info clearly, hit sign up, and then check your Gmail. Adsterra will send a confirmation email, confirm it, log back in with your credentials, and welcome to your new dashboard. On this dashboard, you can track every cent you earn. Now, let's add your site. I'm using a blogger site for this demo, but the process is the same for WordPress or any other platform. Copy your blogger website URL. In Adsterra, click Add Website. Choose your website category.
Important! You'll see an adult ads filter. I suggest keeping this off to keep your site professional for high-tier US/UK audiences.
Now, choose your ad unit. You can pick banners, but I recommend starting with a native banner or the social bar for the highest CTR. Click Add. It will say Activation in Progress, but just reload the page after 1 second, and look, it's already active. To get the ads live, click Get Code and copy that script. Now, head over to your blogger dashboard. Click on Theme, then click the arrow next to Customize and select Edit HTML. Find the tag at the very top of the code. Paste your Adsterra script right there and hit Save. As you can see, no errors, no issues. Let's open the blog, and there it is. The ads are running perfectly. I'm going to add a few more units using the same process so you can see how the layout looks with multiple ads. Now for the best part, getting paid. For my viewers in the US, UK, and worldwide, you have great options. Paxum, minimum payout just $5, fee $1. PayPal, minimum $25, fee 64 cents. Tether/Bitcoin, minimum $100, 1% fee. Wire transfer, minimum $1,000, $0 for Euro, $50 for USD. Pro tip, if you want to maximize revenue from US/UK traffic, use the social bar. It's a unique Adsterra format that looks like a notification and gets 30x higher clicks than normal banners. Also, try their smart links. You can even earn money without a website by sharing links on social media. Adsterra is the fastest way to turn your blog into a business. If you're ready to start earning, use the link in my description to sign up now. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Zubair Creative Studio for more expert freelancing and tech guides. Let's make that money. See you in the next one.
Swapping up my vibe, yeah, I'm quick to innovate. Got that twin flame energy, it's a